Wow, how times have changed. I've created content before about the coveted blue check mark on Twitter, getting verified, of course. Now it is easier than ever before thanks to this guy. Yes, now you can be verified with an $8 monthly subscription and a few simple steps to get it all set up. I'll show you how. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today we're talking about Twitter verification, traditionally a very difficult thing to get if you aren't a celebrity or a public figure. But among all the drastic changes at Twitter since Elon Musk has taken over, verification is now as easy as signing up for a Twitter Blue subscription. Here, I'm going to show you how step by step. And those steps are really simple. Here from my Twitter feed, I can go ahead and click Twitter Blue on the navigation bar that I can see now. You'll see here some of the features you'll get when you sign up for this. At the time of recording this video, it's $8 a month. I'll hit subscribe. Twitter Blue is what's going to give you that check mark. So it's really, really simple. It is a paid service. You'll put your email in and then your credit card information. I'll fast forward to this video so you don't get to see my credit card info. I'll hit subscribe. Once your payment information is accepted, it's going to bring you to the screen and say all set. And that means now you have access to premium features as part of Twitter Blue, which includes that blue verification checkmark badge beside your handle on Twitter. There you go. That's how easy it is. Times have changed, I told you, but getting that coveted blue check mark has actually become a whole lot easier. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next time, sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those are coming up next.